I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Fulton Bank online banking. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So to log in to Fulton Bank online banking, what you need to do is go to their official website. Just open your Safari, and once you're here, you just need to search for Fulton Bank. Once you've done that, you can find Fulton Bank right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. Once you're here, you should see something like this. Now what you need to do is look for the top right option where it says login. Just go ahead and tap there. Once you're here, you just need to select the service. Since you're trying to do it for online banking, just go ahead and tap on the first option, and this will ask you for your username. Just enter your username, and after you've done that, just enter your password. And after that, you just need to tap on secure login, and this will help you log into Fulton Bank. So there you go. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.